Hello students, welcome to MGC Learning. Our today's topic is Marketing Mix of OCM subject of 12th standard. Marketing Mix is a tool for creating the right marketing strategy. It is the combination of different activities like putting the right product at the right time, at right price, in the right place. There are two types of marketing mix. First one is product marketing mix, which consists of 4 P's, and second one is service marketing mix, which consists of 3 P's. So today we will study in detail 7 P's of marketing mix. The 4 P's of marketing mix were introduced in 1960, which consist of product, price, place and promotion, which was further extended in 1981 by adding 3 new elements to the 4 principle, that is people, process and physical evidence. First 4 P's are product oriented and 3 more P's are service oriented. Let's start with first P, that is product. Here the word product is related to all those goods and services which are offered to the customers for sale. Product manager must ensure to have the right type of product which is in demand. Extensive market research is done for product development. Managers' awareness create impact of the products in the minds of the customer. Next is price. This is the stage where managers define their pricing structure. There are different price strategies which may depend on the following questions like how much did it cost to produce the product? Will a slight price decrease could increase market share? Does the current price match up with the competitor's price? These all questions are of very much importance from producer's side. The business needs to take utmost care to decide the price of the product. Too high price may affect the demand for the product and too low may affect the profitability of the business. Price should match up with the value and utility of the product in the eyes of customers. Then only consumer will demand product at a given price. Let's move towards place. Here place is referred as distribution channel. As all of us know, what is the importance of distribution in marketing? Place consideration involves decisions that affect how you will get the product where it belongs, how you will manage inventory, stock, how warehouse operations will be carried out and if distribution centers will be established. Only making a right product at the right place is not enough at all. There is always a need to make the product available to potential customers. Business needs to distribute the product in a place from where buyer can buy the product, and for this proper channel of distribution is essential. Better the chain of distribution, higher the coverage of the product in the market. So for some products this means in the store and for some it will be through online. Next is promotion. Promotion is one of the important element of marketing. There are multiple ways to promote a product. For example, brand recognition, advertising, publicity, exhibition, seminars, conference, word of mouth, etc. These are the ways of communicating or informing about product to the consumer. The producer has to select the best suitable combination of promotional strategies, which is based on producer's budget. Till now we studied product, price, place and promotion, 4 P's, which are associated with product marketing mix. In all above 4 P's, the main theme was product. That's why it is called as product marketing mix. In addition to 4 P's, we'll study 3 more P's, such as people, process, physical environment, which are related to service marketing mix. Here we'll discuss about services that indulge in marketing. First one is people. For any successful business, discovering right people in the organization is very important. Business have to find out people who genuinely believe in the products and producer. Here people means those employees who help to deliver prompt services to the customer. Right people at right place and add value to the business through knowledge, learning, experience, their ability. It is necessary to recruit right people and to give proper training to develop their skill, which will help in retaining them for longer time in the business. Next one is process. The system and process of the organization affect the working of the business. Systematic work is helpful in providing quality service to customer. Good process ensures same treatment or same standard of services to all the customers. It is like following same work pattern in the business, and also to keep watch that how efficiently employees are working with the help of advanced technology. Next is physical environment. So in physical environment, we'll study, see, it's nothing but marketing environment where interaction between two parties, that is firm and customer, takes place. So let's first try to understand what is marketing environment. Marketing environment is a combination of various environment that business has to deal, such as natural environment, which is related to weather, climatic conditions, location, all sorts of natural resources. Demographic environment, which is about the characteristics of the population in a particular area. Social environment, the social attitude is very important for business in our society. Various factors like class structure, different occupation, education level, income level, social status, attitude of customer towards business, etc. In economic environment, we'll study economic policies, economic conditions, political environment, which is made of legislature, government, judiciary, etc. Technological environment, which changes from time to time. Legal environment. Here business can be started, regulated, controlled and expanded within the legal framework of a country. So, in the service industry, there are some physical evidences. As shown here, these all are various physical evidence. You can see here location, equipment, then parking, colors, cutlery, furniture, billing work, business cardstock, etc. I'll give you an example. When you think of sports, the names like Nike, Adidas come to mind. When you think of fast food, you think of McDonald's, Pizza Hut. These brand leaders have manipulated consumers' perception so well that in need their brand appear first in line, and customer didn't stop themselves visiting such markets. So various services are delivered through physical evidence in the market, which includes location, interior design, then packaging, you can see same packaging, branding, dress of the staff and work culture. These all remain same. So these all are example of physical evidence. So in this way, physical evidence also plays vital role in marketing mix. Thanks for watching.